It is no news to any of us that today's world is slowly being taken over by the new digital currency called cryptocurrency. It is not hard to notice that this currency system has drastically developed over the last couple of years. Its first price was $0.0008 in 2010, and we are all aware to what extent it has risen. Nobody could have imagined that the value of currency, which was so much less than a dollar, would have jumped to almost $50,000. However, the value is quite unstable, and based on today's statistics, currencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum keep dropping. In our video, we will talk about the possible reasons why this is happening. Before we get into the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notifications turned on so you do not miss any of the new videos we post. Let us first talk about what is today's worth of the currencies. As of today, August 4th, the worth of Bitcoin is $39,094.48. The value is changing within hours. Liv McMahon, a journalist, showed us in her article how volatile the Bitcoin was a couple of days ago and how drastically it was falling. As of 8:30 p.m. on July 26th, Bitcoin's price peaked at $40,278.03, or 29,126.86 pounds, according to CoinDesk. But steep falls were then recorded within the hour, as Bitcoin sharply fell to $37,767.02 at 9:30 p.m. on Monday. The coin's value was $37,337.73 at 7:30 a.m., marking an almost 5% drop in price in the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin's initial shock fall occurred last month on Tuesday, June 22nd, when, after hovering around 30,000 threshold, the coin's value plummeted to a new recent low of $28,814.75 that afternoon. Since then, the currency has rebounded and begun to trend upwards again, but its price had remained in the low to mid 30,000s. The recent plunge saw its highest value so far this year of $64,000 in May, almost sliced in half, with pundits warning in late June that the dip to under 30 could lead to a sharp rise in sell-offs, and more people refusing to hold their positions. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin by market capitalization. In the last period, the value of this cryptocurrency has also drastically dropped and is around $2,198.10. According to today's statistics, Ethereum has an all-time highest value of $4,382.73, which it reached in May and has been dropping ever since. Once a meme coin created as a joke in 2012, it has been slowly gaining some value during the last few years. It has the worth of $0.0200601, but today its value has seen the most drastic fall, being down 3.7%. Now, let us talk about some reasons why this is happening. Bitcoin topped $64,000 in April, and it is surprising that since then it has been struggling to reclaim its height. One of the reasons Bitcoin is falling is a tech billionaire, Elon Musk. According to his tweets, he dumped Bitcoins because of his concerns over the environment. Musk announced that Tesla would no longer support this currency system and suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin because of rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining. Here is what Elon Musk had to say about this matter in his tweet he posted on May 13, 2021. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We're also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. Kelly Slater, surfing icon from the US, confronted Elon Musk because of his decision and said that he would be a horrible influence on crypto. Here's what she said about this matter. Elon Musk and Tesla Motors proudly bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin for around $34,000 in February. Elon comes out this week and says BTC mining is bad for the environment, and they dumped their Bitcoin for an estimated $804 million in profits. But he's still pushing Dogecoin, a useless coin. So a guy who owns an energy company doesn't understand this stuff before he buys it? He has no problem taking the profits. Does he have an issue with kids mining cobalt in the Democratic Republic of Congo to build batteries? He could probably address and potentially help solve the real energy issues. 68% of the energy production in the US, for instance, is wasted. Seems like a bigger issue to me, which would solve any BTC problem. I think Elon's board and backers hate crypto and what it's doing for the average investor, and pressured him to put out a statement which they knew would inevitably tank Bitcoin. I hope the SEC is taking a good look at this, and all of them who might be buying the dip today and this week in their private accounts. Interesting times, but Elon is bad for crypto. Here is what Rory Sellon Jones thinks about Elon Musk's tweet. Elon Musk is hardly ill-informed informed when it comes to both technology and the environment. When I interviewed him in 2016, he spoke passionately about Tesla's mission to make transport sustainable in the battle against the existential threat of climate change. So it is somewhat surprising that he has only just woken up to the fact that Bitcoin is not exactly a green project. Cambridge's University Center for Alternative Finance runs a Bitcoin electricity consumption index. Right now, it shows that the process of mining the cryptocurrency, which involves using vast amounts of computer processing power, uses more electricity each year than Malaysia or Sweden and is closing on the annual consumption of Egypt. After this negative effect on Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Dogecoin moved in tandem with it. It is also noteworthy that China also contributed to crypto's dropping in its value. About a month ago, China told the major payment platforms that crypto trading would no longer be tolerated. The reporter and digital producer Laura Hay writes about this matter. Bitcoin XBT plunged 12% over the past 24 hours. The cryptocurrency has lost half of its value since it hit an all-time high in April. Other cryptocurrencies were also caught up in the big sell-off. Ethereum fell 14% while Dogecoin dove 26%, erasing all of its gains since April. The People's China Bank on Monday said it summoned Alipay, the widely popular online payments platform run by Jack Ma's Ant Group, along with 5 big lenders, and told them to comprehensively investigate and identify cryptocurrency exchanges and dealers so they could cut off any crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading and speculative activities breed the risks of illegal cross-border transfer of assets and money laundering, the central bank said. The lenders include the Industrial and Commercial Bank, IDCYB, the Agricultural Bank of China, China Construction Bank, CICHF, the Postal Savings Bank of China, and the Industrial Bank. She also said over the weekend, Chinese state media reported that the southwestern Chinese province of Sichuan ordered a halt to all crypto mining operations and cut off the power supply to many mining facilities. The province is a major hub for mining, the process of using powerful computers to run and solve algorithms that generate new cryptocurrency coins and verify transactions. While China doesn't completely ban cryptos, regulators in 2013 declared that Bitcoin was not a real currency and forbade financial and payment institutions from transacting with it. At the time, they cited the risk that Bitcoin could be used for money laundering, as well as the need to maintain financial stability and protect the yuan's status as a fiat currency. Avinash Sakar, co-CEO of Zeb Pay, said that this kind of change may look dramatic, but it is a normal process in many volatile markets. A nearly 40% dip in the Bitcoin price from its all-time high looks dramatic, but is normal in many volatile markets, including crypto, especially after such a long rally. Such corrections are mainly due to short-term traders taking profits. Long-term value investors might call these lower prices a buying opportunity, as MicroStrategy just did. Sakar said technical analysts would call this a test of the support level around 40,000. Neither type of investor would say that tweets are the underlying cause. Investors should invest in education first. Research the underlying value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets, as you might look at a company's information before buying stocks. Use strategies like rupee cost averaging and SIPs to more confidently maneuver through volatility and take a long-term view. On this note, we end our video. These were just some details we discussed about why Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum keep dropping. We would like to know your opinion about the video. What was the most useful information you heard, and do you agree with everything we said? Do not hesitate to leave a comment down below and press the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.